You are using Claude, ask a question, get an answer, copy paste, done. You think that's it, that's the whole tool. It's not even a 10% of it. Today I am showing you the exact gap between people who use like a chat bar and the people who use it like a second brain. By the end of this video, you will be able to know the things that most ChatGPT trained never figure out their own. Let's go. Here's uncomfortable truth. Most people fail Claude because they learn AI on ChatGPT. They ask a question, get an answer. Ask another, get another. That's the prompt mode. That's 2023 thing. Claude isn't built to be answered. It's built to be managed. The people getting insane result aren't writing a better one-line prompt. They are building a system that runs always in the same way without retyping the same thing. Tip 1. Stop saying you are expert. Everyone does this. You are expert programmer, review my code. Weak, generic. Claude heard this for a million times. Here's what actually matters. Give it a specific line. You are a senior backend engineer at a fintech company. You have seen production incident from bad authentication. Review this code like you are blocking it from shipping on Friday. Same task, completely different output. Specificity is the unlock. Politeness, not place. Precision. Tip 2. You are explaining your job, your tone, your work, every single chat. You are throwing hours in weeks. Yes, this is two moves in one, and most people only discover your half. Half one. Project. Set up one. Upload your context, your tone, your past work, and your files. And every single chat in it already knows you. No re-explain. Half two. The part people miss. Inside the project, save your actual work, your process as a standing instruction. Not just who I am. Here exactly how I want, formed it, structure and check every single line. Now you are not writing every prompt from scratch. You just say run it and Claude execute every system identically on demand. Set up one's context forever. That's the whole difference between fighting with AI daily and never thought about it again. Tip 3. This almost nobody know and fix the problem that you hit without realizing. You ask Claude to review its own work. Critique this. Tell me weakness. And it says this is pretty. Here's why Claude reviewing its own answer in the same conversation has already tagged into the answer. It's not laying you, it's just biased on his own reasoning. The same way when you are proofread your essay for the fifth time, the fix the top user actually use. Start a new conversation with no history. Paste the finished work and no context, no background, and say find the 5 weakest point in this. Be harshest and reasonable critic. The new Claude has no investment in defending the first Claude. It write it properly, and the services that around it actually solve it. This single trick will catch more real mistakes than everything else on this list. Tip 4. Never dump a huge task in one message. Top user is split. Stage 1. I am building X. What should I be asking? Stage 2. Based on that, outline the plan. Stage 3. Build it. Stage 4. Send it on a new chat and run. Tip 3 on it. And you will see the insane result. Every stage built on the last, and Claude stays sharp inside and trying to do everything at once on the last, and quality cutting corner at the middle. So here's the gap. 99% of people using Claude like a vending machine. Type something in it, get something out. Never check. The 1%. They built a system. They know the model can talk itself inside the answers. So they built a process that catch it anyway. You open this video as a part of 99%. The next chat you start your chance not to be. If this helps, subscribe. Next video, I am building one of these system live, start to end. And which tip are you trying first? Comment.